What's up, guys? It's Bronco Vlogs back again with Airsoft video today. So yeah, guys, me and Lucas are doing the Airsoft.
I just want to say, guys,
and yes,
go check
Lucas
out
is filming me.
this
And something you guys don't know is
perspective.
Well, you're on top of the gun.
You're on the gun.
You can see
guys can't
how
see the
where
barrel,
I was when we eventually get
But
to
yes,
1v1,
it is close
and
to the
where
side.
he was. So yeah.
Guys, Lucas's GoPro is on his too, but Lucas's GoPro you can probably see. You can probably see like the barrel, but my camera's all the way over here, right there. My gun's all the way over here, so it is literally just out of your guys' view. My barrel, so
It was just in it.
yeah.
Just a
See,
second ago.
like here's my finger. Here's that. And here's my finger, and here's the barrel of the gun. You can like see.
It's literally right over there, like right next to it there.
Okay, so you gonna go?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So I'll see you when you get out. So yeah, guys, we're just walking right to the bases. So
I can't hold the stock down now. Now that's on camera.
there's Lucas's tactical GoPro. So yeah, guys, there's a huge tree over towards there, and it's surrounded. So we meet there, and then we'll decide who's gonna spawn there, and then the other person can pick where they're gonna spawn. So you'll be back when we're there. And we have more trouble with the stock. Lucas had to go in his garage to try and get it down, so it's either gonna be okay. Yes. So now we're gonna walk to the tree, and then when we're there, we'll tell you guys the rules. So there's a river all the way down there. Yeah, I think you guys can see it, but
Back with another video, and you're mounted to a gun. You might be able to see the barrel. I don't really know.
And so yeah.
So basically, what you're gonna be doing?
No
today is
headshots.
with my friend name.
Yeah.
We are at my house.
No headshots. Yeah, we're at Lucas's house doing
So
this. So
yeah,
the base is right there. You guys can't really
there's a
see
base
it.
over there. I don't
And so yeah, you guys will see when they're there. So yeah, guys, just waiting. You're not spawning there. Yeah. Okay. Hang on. No, not yet. He's somewhere over there. Like I said, hang on. This is as far as it zooms out. Okay. He's a. Oh, you forgot your mag? Oh, okay. So Lucas forgot his mag, so see you guys when the war starts. Oh yeah, so now you guys can see right there is the orange tip. So yeah, I think when Lucas goes in, I think I'm gonna go and get some more duct tape for the very top of it. Ah, whee! For the very top of my gun, so you guys will stay there and I don't have to keep holding it, which really isn't a big problem because when I hold it, I just have to hold it like farther up. So I'll see you guys there. Okay, guys, so now it's on there pretty good now. You guys can sort of see the orange from the orange tip.
Yeah, I still got the GoPro on. I just forgot my mag.
Okay. So yeah, I'll see you guys back at the tree. Okay, guys, at the tree here. This is sort of weird not pointing it at my face, but I'm just ready. Ready? Okay, yeah. For Lucas to say ready. Ready! So, okay, I see him. I don't know if you guys can see him. I see him. Oh, it's unsafe. I don't want to waste a lot of ammunition, so I don't want to be in the open to really expose myself because Lucas is about to be shooting at me. Okay, he's shooting at me. He won't get me. He won't get me. At least I don't think he will. Oh yeah, in the game mode? It's team deathmatch? Okay. I got him. Okay, guys. Oh! Yeah, you got me in the head!
I'm sorry.
Oh!
I'm pointing to your leg. Okay, guys, we're taking just a second to see what.
Ah, that hurt.
I'm sorry.
Okay, guys, so now Lucas. Oh, yeah. So now Lucas will be spawning in the tree, and I can spawn wherever I want.
So basically, guys, what's happening is that we've had our little match since we have both gotten hit. We are moving positions, and I am taking the tree, which I will show you what the tree is.
Okay, guys. So I'll show you guys where I'll be spawning. So, okay, guys. So I'll be spawning right in here. Ready? Go! Okay, guys. So I'll be sliding the thorns of death. Here's a hole that I'll be sitting in. So I'll pause it till action. Guys, I see him. He's over there. He's over there. So I don't know if you guys could see him or not. Yeah, he's right there. But yeah, I did get hit in the head. It didn't really hurt. He's firing. Okay, see ya. The shots are getting close. Okay, he's crouching. We're in a little safe spot. Oh, I'm falling in. Got him. Don't shoot! I don't want to get shot in the head again. I don't want to get shot in the head again. You're shooting? Okay. Technical difficulty. Take the mag out. Take the mag out and put it back in. So yeah, after Lucas fixes this, it's pretty fun. 2 matches. Yeah, I'm just answering Lucas's question. So yeah, did you get? How many times did I hit you?
You hit me like 10 times.
Okay, here's payback.
I'm trying to see if it'll come out. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, the lighting's super bad. Well, I couldn't see my reflection, but I can see you too. Okay, it's shooting now.
No.
Oh, that's just the air. Yeah. Why isn't anything coming out? So after
Once
these
again,
technical
I am sorry,
difficulties.
See you in the next video.
So yeah, guys.
Coming down the counter
See you guys in the next video. I don't know if you guys could see pretty good, but you guys might have. But so yeah. Yeah, subscribe, leave a like on this video. Yes, in exactly 7 days from today, there will be a 4v4 at Lucas's house. The field we're in right now, Lucas's house, not really a field, but so yeah. Oh, it is?
Yeah, just when I ended the video.
Oh, dude. Okay, I'm still gonna take mine off, okay? I don't want to get my phone too cold. So yeah, guys. 7 days from now, there will be a giant war. 4v4, not super giant, but the biggest that we'll ever have. I don't know. It might be something else, but this is just a little 1v1, 2 matches, won both. So I know. My face is probably super close to the camera, so yeah, this is bad. Yeah, if you guys please don't cringe. No cringe zone. I am seriously looking down my barrel, it looks like. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to tell you guys, yeah, 7 days from now, real cool airsoft gun. I mean, war. Yeah, so bye, guys.